Can you hear me, dear children? Are you here? Are you there? Of course, please listen to Swami Mahansa's voice. I like you very much. I love you very much. Today we are seeing you. You are so very beautiful. It's happy to hear you are coming to the Dhamma school regularly every Saturday or Sunday. Friday. Oh, okay, sorry. It's every Friday you are coming here and then learning the Dhamma. That means the Buddha's path, Buddha teachings. I would like to invite our dear teachers and parents, though you are living thousands of miles from your mother country, but still you have to feel our blood of Sri Lankan Buddhist culture. So, your blood is there. It's mixed with Sri Lankan Sinhalese culture. So anyway, though I'm saying Sinhalese, but Sri Lankan Buddhist culture. So you have to teach your children the significance or importance of your parents' validities is very important. Before they are ask you what you have done to us, in Sinhala keyword, මොනවද ඔයගොල්ලෝ අපිට කරලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා අහන්නේ ඉස්සෙල්ලා. Before asking your children what you have done to us, just you have to teach them we have done everything what we could. So that's why I'm asking you every day before going to bed, ask them to respect parents. It doesn't matter. Of course, just your own children, biologically you are connected with your children, but still ask them to worship. First thing is we are asking you to worship the Buddha. I think you have Buddha statue at home. And then ask them to say sadhu to Buddha sadhu together. Recite gathas. Also, dear teachers, are you teaching metta meditation to them? How to practice metta meditation? May I be well, happy, peaceful, and so on. That's right, yes. So after you worshiping the Buddha and then practice metta meditation, at least 2 to 3 minutes, and then go to mom and dad, mother and father, Ammo, Tato, Apache, and then kneel down properly. You have to place your 5 parts of your body on the ground, forehead, 2 elbows, and 2 knees. These 5 parts of your body you have to place on the ground and then say sadhu to Amma and Tata, mother and father, while reciting 2 gathas. There are special 2 gathas for respecting mother and father, Amma and Apache. What are those 2 gathas? For Amma, Dasamase Urekata. Dear children, can you recite with Swami Nase together? Dasamase Urekatva Posesi Uddhikaranam Ayudigang Vasasatang Matupadang Namamaham. My dear Amma, mother, you kept me for 10 months in your womb. You nurtured me with love and compassion. Therefore, I would like to worship you, asking for 100 years, long life to you, my Amma, my mom, my mother. I like you very much. Mage Amma, දසමාසයක් කුසේ දරාගෙන මා පෝෂණය කළා. ආදරයයි කරුණාවයි. සියක් ආයු ලැබේවා කියලා මම ඔබට වන්දනා කරනවා. Even adults, though your parents are alive or not on this soil, but still keep those thoughts in your mind. ඔබේ අම්මලප්පච්චිලා ජීවත් හිටියත් අම්මලප්පච්චිලා වෙන්නේ වඳින්න. For Tata, for father, recite together with Swami Hansi. Uddhikaro Alingitva Chumbitva Piya Puddakam Rajamajjang Supatittam Pitupadam Namamaham. Dear my father, dad, or Tata, or Apache, you hug me, you kiss me, you wanted to give me a bright future and then to make you, myself and my brothers and sisters happy. You did everything what you could. Therefore, you wanted to keep me among kings. That means you wanted to give me a bright future and good education. You miss your culture and everything, but you did everything because of us. I would like to worship you, my Tata or Apache, your father, asking for 100 years long life to my Tata or Apache, your father. Mage Tata Apache, මම ඔබට කැමතියි. ඔබ ආදරය කළා. වැළඳගත්තා. රජුන් මැද පිහිටවන්න කියලා Tamanට නොපෙනුණු ලෝකෙ පෙන්නලා දීලා නොලබුණු සැප සම්පත් දෙන්න. ඉහළ උගත්කමක් දෙන්න ඔබ සියල්ල කළා. මා ඔබට වඳිනවා. අවුරුදු 100ක් ලැබේවා, දිගාසිරි වේවා කියලා ප්‍රාර්ථනා කරමි. Dear children, every day, at least in the evening, say sadhu to Buddha sadhu. Do metta meditation at least 2 to 3 minutes, and then go to mother and father. Worship your mother and father while reciting these two gathas. Dear parent, it's your responsibility. ඒක ඔබේ ආදරණීය වගකීම දරුවන්ට උගන්වන්න. ඔබට මුලින් සඳහන් කළා අහන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලා මොන හරි ඉල්ලනකොටම දුන්නේ නැත්තම් මොනවද ඔයගොල්ලෝ අපිට කළේ කියලා. උත්තරයක් නැති වෙයි. කරන්න පුළුවන් සියල්ලම කරලා තියෙන්නේ. ඉතින් මේක වඩා